Hi guys, this is Shiji from Tidal Robotics. Today I'm going to show you a new feature that we developed to offer remote control of the flight stand software. This allows you to control the flight stand from any computer on the same network as the computer that is connected to your flight stand hardware. This has several advantages. A big one is safety. Controlling the thrust stand remotely means you can distance yourself from the hazards of a spinning propeller. Another advantage is that you can remotely control the software from any operating system. We currently only support Windows for the flight stand software, but with our API, you can control the software from any device on the network. Here's how to set it up. Here I'm running version 1.9.2 of the flight stand software. I connected it to a real flight stand 15, but with the propeller unpowered, so it won't spin. The first thing you'll want to do is to close the flight stand software if it's open. Find the shortcut for the software, then right-click and open Properties. Find the target field, and at the end of the line, we want to add a command line argument. We will add the ---- remote argument. This tells the software to activate remote mode. You'll see a warning message pop up, and this is just to remind you that you are accepting remote connections from any other computer on the network. This does have some safety implications, so you have to be aware that anybody in the network can make your propeller spin. Make sure there is good communication with your team so you have full control of the environment, and make sure you're on a private network. That's all for the setup on the computer with the software you want to control. We'll open the software and set the throttle to 1200 in the manual control tab so we can recognize this later. The last thing we need to do is to find the IP address of the computer that you want to control. To find this, open command prompt, then type the command ipconfig. Take note of your IPv4 near the bottom. Now, on the computer that I want to control the first computer with, find the shortcut for the flight stand software, then open Properties. Find the target field and add the command line argument --target. Type an equals symbol, then input the IPv4 of the first computer. After, type a colon, then 50051. This is currently the only port that we support. When you launch the software, you will see this display showing the same thing as what you see on the other computer. If we go to the manual control tab, we can see it's set to 1200, just like on the first computer. The remote control is in real time, so any changes you make on one computer will be reflected immediately on the other. The remote control is now set up. If you wish to disconnect the remote feature, you can simply go to Properties and delete the command line arguments on both computers. We hope you'll find this feature useful, and if you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.